Hello friends, it's Danny here, Danny's Dreams, and today I'm stopping by to start up my Saturday Showcase again. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I take some time each Saturday to share the creations from the week, or in some cases might be 2 weeks, just depends. Since I'm just starting this up, I feel silly starting it now since I will miss a couple Saturdays, but that's okay. Then I'll have lots to share on that first Saturday in June. Many of the things that I created this week have already been sent out, so there will be photos of them in the slideshow at the end, and in the description box below is a link to all the blog posts or videos showing each creation as well. Excuse me. So, to start off the week, I had this fun narwhal card that I used the foil on. This kind of got me started in my foiling adventure. I think that it turned out really nice. Kind of has that distressed look, kind of goes with it. Those fun narwhals, you are simply extraordinary. And there's the inside. That's another die from Gina Marie Designs. And of course, the stencil that I used and the narwhals are from Craft and Kimmy. I just want to keep turning it so I can see that shimmery foil. It's just so cool. And then I did my Craft Roulette card, my matchbook card. There's the inside. Your friendship means the world to me. Very, very fun, very neat. I'm excited. By the time that this is posted, I will hopefully have another Craft Roulette project at least in the works. And then the rest of the week has already been sent out. I had a baby card for one of my husband's co-workers, and then it was the Craft and Kimmy May 2023 release. Again, all the links to the blog posts and videos are in the description box below. And I'll also put pictures of everything in the slideshow after this, after I get done talking. So I hope you enjoyed what I created this week besides mermaids. And again, over the next 2 weeks, my videos might be a little sparse as I get ready for our family vacation and graduation and people here. But then I hope to come back stronger than ever. I hope you have an amazing crafty day, and thanks for stopping by.